Tools you didn't think you needed, but you do, again. Indexing pry bars. In particular, extending indexing pry bars. So why do I need this? Well, here's an example. Use this big long pry bar, and here's your obstruction. To get the right angle, you can't get this in there anywhere. So you go grab the small one, and it fits in there, but then you go to lever, and you can't get it. You don't have enough strength. You don't have enough leverage. Angles are the same, so change the angle. See? Push this button in, change the angle. And if that's not what you need, go the other way. Go negative, like that. And you can have the right angle with the handle and still get the leverage you need with the extension to get out what you want. This is the Olsa Tools one, and I've seen the extendable ones before, and they seem really flimsy, but this one's pretty stout. Like, this is 6 inches, and even at fully extended, there's still 2 inches of bracing in it. Retention isn't some cheap little pin. It's got big heavy notches in it that, I don't know, it's very, very stout. I've really reefed on this one, and it's held up good. I use it in this configuration, more of an angle like this, for getting out injectors when you don't have on diesel engines, when you don't have quite the right tool. This guy gets in there as a little heel bar, and you can get around all the rockers wherever you need it to be. Awesome. Here's a few other examples I've captured while using this thing around the shop. Like that. All in all, super handy tool. You got to get one. If you don't have one, you need one. I promise you'll need one. They do make a smaller version than this one. You buy them in the set of this one and the small one. I just took this one because I do more heavier stuff, and I don't really find a need for the little one just yet. Inevitably, this will be too big in one instance, and I'll go, I should have bought the small one. Check them out. I'll put a link in my bio for them to take you right to it, or go to olsatools.ca and get one for yourself and use my discount code, OTNORM, and save yourself some money. Did I say 6 inches? Clearly I meant 12 inches.